Hello everyone, good evening. Here, today I'm going to explain about the gate bits on 8085 microprocessor. Here the question is, a computer system has a 4 kilo word cache organized in the block set associated with associated associative manner with the 4 blocks per set, 64 words per block. The number of address bits required to represent the set and word fields of the main memory is, there are options 15 4 or 6 bits or 4 bits, 7 bits and 2 bits, 4 bits and 6 bits. These are the address bits required to represent set and word fields. Okay, word fields. So now, how can we solve this? See here, the system has, the given data is, the system has 4 kilo word. Okay, 4 kilo word. And next one is the 4 blocks per set. Okay, 4 blocks per set. Next one is the 64 words per block. 64 words per block. So this is the given. Okay. So now here 4K word. Okay. 4K word means, okay, 4K word means this is 4 into K, that means kilo, 1024. This is words. Okay. Next one is 64 words per blocks. That means we are trying to find out how many number of blocks. Total, how many number of blocks. Okay. So in order to find out, in order to find out number of blocks, in order to find out number of blocks. So 4 into kilo, 1024 words, and 64 words per block. 64 words per block. Okay. So how much this cancellation? 4 16s and 16 64s. Okay. So that means total number of blocks, are 64. Number of blocks are 64. Okay. Here 4 blocks per set. That means each set has 4 blocks. Total blocks are 64. So then how many sets? How many sets? The total number of sets are, how many sets? That means 64 by 4. Total blocks are 64 and 4 blocks per each set. That means 64 by 4, that is 16 sets. 16 sets means how many address lines are required to represent 16 sets? That now the address lines, the number of address lines, the number of address lines required. Okay, the number of address lines required for identifying this set is 16 sets. That means 2 power 4 equal to 16. That means 4 address lines are required. 4 address lines are required. 4 address lines are required. Okay. Next, 64 words. 64 words per block. So the number of words are 64 words per block. That's why how many number of bits are required? The number of address bits required, number of address bits required per word representation is 2 power 6 equal to 64. We know that. Okay. So that means 6 address bits. 6 address bits to identify the words. This is 4 address lines to identify the set. 6 address bits are used to identify the word. Okay. So option is the number of address bits required to represent the set and word. That means here 4 address lines and 6 address lines. So the option D is the right answer. The option D is the right answer. 4 blocks per set. 4 blocks per set. In each set, there are 4 blocks. That means how many address lines required to represent the block? That means 2 address lines required. Of course, this bit is not asked for block, but however, 2 address lines required. 2 address lines required for block representation. For block representation, 2 address lines. For set representation, 4 address lines. For word representation, 6 address lines. Okay, but in the question, it is asked for only set and word. So that's why options are 4 and 6. So that means option D is the right answer. I hope you understand. Thank you.